Hi friends, welcome to GMK Tutorials. In this video, we will continue our discussion on state space model representation. So before starting this video, just I have a small request for you. In case ఇప్పటివరకు ఎవరైనా మా ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకుండా ఉంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, మీకు నచ్చితే లైక్ చేయండి, సో వీలైతే షేర్ చేయండి. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ యువర్ సపోర్ట్ ఓవర్ ది జర్నీ ఫ్రమ్ లాస్ట్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఇయర్స్. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ. So let us see here transfer function y of s by u of s. So why? Because y of s by u of s, basically we have two equations is there. X dot is equal to x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t. This is a state equation. ఈ equation లో u of t అంటే మనకి input అని తెలుసు already. Okay, input, it is nothing but a state variable. At the same time, another equation y of t is equal to c into x of t plus d into u of t. This is the output equation. This is a state equation, and second one is nothing but output equation. So for this case, I will take some assumption like this. X dot of t is nothing but x dot represents a derivative. X dot represents a derivative. Therefore, you have to represent this one. D by dt of x of t plus is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t, right? So this is the equation, right? So for that purpose, we have to apply the Laplace transform to the above equation. Laplace transform to the above equation on both sides. Okay. D by dt, Laplace transform of d by dt of x of t is nothing but obviously s into x of s. Therefore, s into x of s minus x of 0. X of 0 is nothing but initial conditions in case of the Laplace transform. At the same time, in the right hand side, a into Laplace transform of x of t is equal to x of s plus b into u of t is equal to u of s. I think up to now it is clear, right? Now, at the same time, follow the convention for this one. Y of s, apply the Laplace transform. Y of s is equal to c into x of s plus d into u of s. Okay. Now in this consideration, you have to find out the x of s value. Okay, x of s is equal to, for this case, take this in the left side, s into x of s minus a into x of s, that is equal to x of 0 plus b into u of s. Okay. Now take common x of s as a common value. X of s is equal to s minus a, but there is some simple adjustment. S is nothing but a scalar value. Okay, within a scalar value, it is not possible to subtract the matrix A. So for that purpose, you have to represent Si, where I is nothing but an identity matrix. Okay, Si minus a is equal to x of 0 plus b into u of s. Okay, that is the convention. Now, x of s is equal to, you will take left side, that is nothing but si minus a whole inverse x of 0 plus b into u of s inverse of si minus a. Okay, the denominator side, right side to the denominator, then this I will take a numerator side, therefore it becomes as a si minus a inverse అవుతుంది. సో నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏం కావాలి? ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్. ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ ఫంక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి? y of s by u of s. నాకు x of s అవసరం లేదు. సో ఫర్ దట్ పర్పస్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ దిస్ x of s in this equation. Therefore y of s is equal to, okay, y of s is equal to c into x of s is equal to si minus a inverse into x of 0 plus b into u of s into si minus a inverse plus d into u of s, right? Okay, that is the equation. Now you have to take u of s as a common value. Okay, u of s common, this u of s is equal to c into si minus a inverse into x of 0 plus b into si minus inverse si minus a inverse b into si minus a inverse plus d. Okay. Now transfer function means obviously y of s by u of s. That is only transfer function. Output by input. Therefore, y of s by u of s is equal to c into si minus a whole inverse into x of 0. So c, let's see. C into x of 0. Okay, fine. So this is nothing, not a number. So for this one, next b into si minus a inverse plus d. So this is nothing but a transfer function. Okay, this is a transfer function. So, but there is some another. This is nothing but only transfer function. State transition matrix is also one more topic is there. It is also similar to like this. I don't want to discuss in here. I will discuss in the next video. Okay. So here some of the assumptions. X of 0 is nothing but generally initial condition. U of t is nothing but input. Okay. Y of s is nothing but output. It is nothing but input. So the ratio of output of the transfer function, output of the Laplace transform of output divided by Laplace transform of input, that gives rise to the transfer function. It is also called as a T of s in our convention methods. T of s is equal in this case. So this is all about the transfer function methodology. In the next video, we will discuss what is meant by state transition matrix. Okay, and another concept is nothing but signal flow graph. That is nothing but SFG is represented in state space model representation. This is also will be discussed in the tomorrow class. And state flow graph, state transition matrix, and third one is nothing but block diagram representation, discussed in state space model, and controllability and observability. So these topics can be discussed in the next video. With this, almost our 6th unit is almost about to complete. Okay, so thank you.